This video will cover beginner questions relating the topic of trigonometry equations. Question 1. Plus the square root of 3 on each side. Then cancelled. 2 sine x equals the square root of 3. Then divide by 2 on each side. Cancelled. Sine x equals the square root of 3 over 2. First of all, let's think about what the reference angle is, at which a sine ratio becomes the square root of 3 over 2. We know of 3 special triangles. First one, then second one, and third one. If you draw only a triangle like this, can you see both the respective angle and the length of each side? If not yet visible, we need more practice. The respective angles are pi over 6, pi over 4, and pi over 3. Then label the side lengths 1 square root of 3 and 2, 1 square root of 2, 1 square root of 3 and 2. If you keep drawing like this and practice writing the sides, you will quickly see the lengths when you try to write the side. Then, at the time, you can see it as if you wrote the lengths without writing the lengths, so you only need to shape up the triangle. Back to the beginning, sine of x equals the square root of 3 over 2. Sine ratio is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Then the last one is the correct one. Now we know the respective angle is pi over 3. And then ASTC sine x is greater than 0 in quadrant 1 and 2. Then draw 2 triangles in quadrant 1 and 2 with the respective angle of pi over 3. And the second one is pi minus pi over 3, which is 2 pi over 3. Then x equals pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. Question 2. Move minus cosine of x to the left. Then 2 cosine x plus the square root of 2 equals 0. Then move square root of 2 to the right. 2 cosine of x equals minus the square root of 2. Then divide by 2 on each side. Cosine of x equals minus the square root of 2 over 2. 1 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2 equals square root of 2 over 2. Then this one we can rewrite as cosine x equals minus 1 over square root of 2. Remember, first find the reference angle because the reference angle is always an acute angle. Its value is positive. So cosine of x equals 1 over square root of 2. Now think about the 3 triangles. The first one, second one, and third one. Can you see which special triangle is the one whose cosine of x is 1 over square root of 2? The answer is the middle one. If you can't see it yet, write it so that you can see it. Then pi over 3. The ratio is 1, 2, square root of 3, 1, 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, 1, and 2. The cosine ratio is ka, which is adjacent over the hypotenuse. So 1 over square root of 2 is the middle one. Reference angle is pi over 4. Back to the beginning. Cosine x is minus 1 over square root of 2. Use ASTC. Then cosine x is negative in quadrant 2 and 3. Then draw the 2 triangles with the respective angle of pi over 4 in quadrant 2 and 3. The first one is pi minus pi over 4, which is 3 pi over 4. Second one is pi plus pi over 4, which is 5 pi over 4. Then x equals 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. This is the last one. First, find the reference angle. Think about the ratio without the negative sign. We need tangent x equals 1 over square root of 3. Then draw the 3 special triangles. Second one and the third one. The respective angles are pi over 6, pi over 4, and pi over 3. The ratio is 1 square root of 3 and 2, 1 square root of 2, then 1 square root of 3 and 2. The tangent ratio is opposite over adjacent. Then first one is the right one, 1 over square root of 3. The reference angle is pi over 6 and tangent x is negative. Then use ASTC. The tangent is negative in quadrant 2 and 4. Then draw the 2 triangles with the respective angle of pi over 6 in quadrant 2 and 4. The first one is pi minus pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6. And the second one is 2 pi minus pi over 6, which is 11 pi over 6. And x equals 5 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.